Alright friends, we are back with the Untechnical. Today we are going to review Hyundai Creta, and here we are on the Expressway Road. Our guest today is Sushant, and here he comes. Here we have the Hyundai Creta. This is an excellent model, and here he is. Hi Sushant, welcome to the channel Untechnical.
Thank you.
This is Sushant, the owner of the black Creta that we just saw. We'll have a look at the car and we'll have his review. How long have you been driving this car?
So now it's more than a year.
More than a year. Alright. So how's the experience been?
The experience is very good. It's an top-end Creta, which comes with the you can say the purifier, the Bose speaker.
So all the cosmetics and everything is great.
Yeah. So it's a full loaded classic car. You don't need to add something from the market.
So just get off the showroom and start driving.
Correct.
All
Start
full fit.
Yeah.
And Hyundai is Hyundai. I guess the performance is always good.
Performance is good. I drive almost, you can say, 20,000+ in a year.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and
so basically all tours you've done around.
So yes, we have almost 6-7 outdoor tours.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright. So wanna have a look at the car now? Can we have a look at the car?
Yes.
Right. So here's the exterior. Though you've seen this already, but let's just have a look at the car. This is a top-end model, has alloys, and okay, the tail light. There we go. And this is all that we have. Let's have a look at the interior of the car. There you go. So this has a self-start. Yeah. Oh. That's the pedal, that's the brake, and here it is. The self-start, self-engine start-stop. This is the display that we have here. And this is the infotainment. The map. You see, there's the auto gear. You have parking, reverse, and drives. Okay. So we'll just get to know what all these buttons are about from Sushant very soon. Rear seat of the car. And it's quite spacious. Alright. Here we go. So let's have a, what do you say?
Yes.
Alright, thanks. Alright, so we are on the drive with Sushant on the Hyundai Creta. Alright, so little explanations that we wanted. These the P is for parking, right? The auto hold, and this is the seat ventilator, yeah?
Correct.
This one.
The seat ventilator is for both front seats.
For both front seats. Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, and that's the drive, the traction. So these are different controls.
Yes, it's a 3 traction modes.
Okay.
Drive modes, you can say, is comfort. Another one is the eco mode, wherein you can save the fuel, and the best one is the sports mode, where you can drive like crazy.
The sports mode basically for the long roads, highways,
yes.
open roads. But again, speed thrills, you have to be careful with it as well.
Correct.
Right. So you have different modes, like you said, the eco, the drive mode, and basically eco is more for the city and traffic and things. Also, you save fuel. The fuel efficiency is better. And the sports mode, it takes a better throttle, it takes more power, and of course uses more fuel also. So this is the sign for airbags. How many airbags do you have in this?
6 airbags.
6 airbags. Awesome. Alright, so there are 6 airbags. So basically not only the front, but everyone's secured in the car.
Yes. Program.
So I'm going on the rear seat. Let's have the fun from the rear seat and see how comfortable it is sitting at the back. Alright, so we are at the rear seat of the car. Oh, it's pretty comfortable, see?
So it's a comfortable and it gives you a good thigh support.
Good thigh support.
For long drive.
Wonderful. And let's have a view from the rear. That's the view we have. And this is something interesting. 3 is the AQI it's showing?
So yes, it's not a temperature, it's a
the
purifier.
AQI. Oh, it's the purifier here we have.
Yes.
So there's a normal 40 is the AQI inside the car, but dust is showing as well. So this is your purifier. You have the AC vents at the back, charging socket as well. This is the A port, and you have the space for water bottle both sides, and that's there in the front also. On the infotainment section, guys, you get Bose as your speakers in the car. So if I'm not wrong, this would be in this current models also?
Yes, current model.
In current models also,
Yes.
the Bose speakers and things.
Bose speakers and the woofer.
And the woofer. Right. Nice.
And here we have the reading lights. It beams to the person below it and does not disturb the other passengers.
So we are looking at this display. So it gives you all the information that your car would need and you would need basically from your to know about your car. So okay, so we have something more northeast west south. The tire pressures are there, and that's the drive info. Right, so let's have a look at the average that we are getting out of Hyundai Creta Automatic top model. Just how you would be surprised. It's 17.1, is it, Sushant?
Yes.
It's giving an average of 17.1. Just look at the face of the happy owner.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Completely depend on the how you drive.
Completely depends on how you drive. Absolutely. How much pedal you push, what's the speed, you maintain the consistency of the speed. So basically, if I'm not wrong, we've maintained around speed of 80 on the expressway
Yes.
throughout.
Yes.
Nice. So hence you see the average 17.3 kilometers per liter. And you have 495 kilometers worth of fuel left in the car right now. So basically you can go to Jaipur and come somewhat may back.
Yes.
From Jaipur. Nice. Great. That's the infotainment. Can we play something, please?
Sure.
Now I'll shut up and let the music take care of some things. Here you go, the steering control of the music you have here. Here it started, right? Oh, it's fun. Nice systems. Okay guys, I am dancing. He's not, he's driving, okay? So be careful while driving and music. Here's the most interesting feature that I guess every car should have and would have very soon is the wireless charging. So you just put your phone here if your phone supports wireless charging. Alright, like we told you, so we'll have the explanation. This is the parking. Right? This is the parking brakes basically, the hand brakes that you had in the older cars. This auto hold, okay, let's have
So
an
auto hold basically जब हम कहीं चढ़ाई पर जा रहे हैं तो वहां पर रिक्वायरमेंट आती है इसकी. हमने ब्रेक लगाया, गाड़ी वहीं रुक गई. जैसे ही आगे हमको मिला क्लियरेंस ट्रैफिक का, देन वी जस्ट नीड टू पैडल दी एक्सीलरेटर.
Nice. Right, let's have the look at this beauty that people are crazy about for all sunroofs. Sir, can we have the open the sunroof?
Sure.
Here it goes. Okay. So this is a panoramic sunroof, yeah? Wow. Okay, so this is for the lighting. So we still have the glass here, so you can see the view of the car right now. It's all enlightened. It's lit in the car, like the generation would say. And here we go. Let's have the glasses open. If the weather is good, the AQI is nice, you may drive it like with the open window also. And by the way, the car is still right now, so let's have a look outside and let's see how it looks standing. Never ever, though we always say never drive, never stand outside the sunroof when the car is moving. But we are still right now showing you around. This is how it feels like, right? And this is from the sunroof. One thing important, guys, that I think everyone should have in the car. This is might be in the future that this thing starts coming in every car, but right now you have to get it fitted from outside. So Sushant, you have this dash cam, right?
Yes. So this is the only one thing. This is the one thing only which we had.
That's aftermarket. Basically, that has been included. Otherwise, the car is sufficient on its own. But yeah, the dash cam always helps. I would say it's the necessity today of the dash cam should be there, so you know what's happening around the car. And anything, Sushant, that you would like to add? We know you're happy with the car. You are happy with the car,
yes,
right?
I'm happy with the car.
Anything that you think you would like to add on for people who are looking to buy a car now? Should they go for a Hyundai Creta? And
they should go for the Hyundai Creta.
Now
we have a new, you can say, there's a new model of Creta 2024, which is much more exclusive than this. So this is you can say this is 2023 model. In 2024, they have some added features, and they have added some ADAS in the 2024.
So nice, okay?
Correct. And they have a full length screen in the car.
So we will look into that. So anyone who has a 24 Hyundai Creta, we are looking forward to you. We'll review the car also. But basically, you are happy with the car.
Yes.
Yeah? So Hyundai Creta is a good car.
Yes.
Right.
It's a nice family car.
It's a nice family car. Though we have seen a lot of memes happening around Creta also. So again, depends on who's the driver, guys. So it's always, so he's a family guy. He's telling you it's a family car. It's a stable car. It's a safe car. And with the kind of features that you have, I don't think you need anything more than in a car to drive. The Hyundai Creta, thumbs up.